Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are going to present about our project GST243. The title of our project is Impact in Malaysia on Flood and Dengue. The project is prepared that the impact of population in Malaysia. The database is created include 3 different tables, which is the number of dengue cases, total population in each state, and flood area. Our project description. The project focuses on natural disaster in Malaysia, which is floods and dengue fever. Highlights the correlation between population density and the prevalence of this disaster. Floods are caused by heavy rainfall and lead to conditions favorable for dengue spread. Objective of the project is to prepare a database using data from Google and Microsoft Excel. Second, to create an ER diagram. Third, to present statistics of dengue and flood using chart maps in QGIS.
For create our project, the software we use is QGIS, XAMPP, PHP-MyAdmin, and Lucidchart. QGIS for importing, exporting, and visualizing geographic data. Then XAMPP to active localhost for web servers. PHP-MyAdmin for handling MySQL database operation. Lastly, Lucidchart for create ER diagram. For software installation, we download and install MySQL from the official website. Then install XAMPP and ensure Apache. For data searching and preparation MySQL, the data of dengue cases, population, and flood area are collected from Google. The data edited to include latitude and longitude. Then convert data to CSV file for import into MySQL. For our project, we use SQL query expression. For example question, 5 codes are located in Perak, Terengganu, and Pahang with a estimate loss 10 million ringgit. For the syntax, select code state estimates loss from flood state table where state equal to Perak or state equal to Terengganu or state equal to Pahang and estimate loss 10 million ringgit. For data conversion to QGIS, we use to import CSV data into QGIS, then create map to visualize the data. Lastly, show a sample maps created using QGIS. This is example for our project. For our project, we create ER diagram for population impact in Malaysia on flood and dengue. For table population, we have state, longitude, latitude, code, and population. For flood, we have state, latitude, longitude, number of flood event, highest average daily rainfalls, maximum flood duration, total relocation of flood victim, maximum flood depth, estimate loss, and code. Then, for dengue, we have latitude, longitude, total patient, code, and state. We need to use the all table to create relationship between the tables. This is